Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a combined reading for all my water sign viewers. Okay, so I'm going to pull one card for your feelings towards your person, and the other card for your person's feelings towards you, and the mutual energy between you two, and the future potential of your relationship with your person. Okay, so let's start the reading for my water sign viewers. Also, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you, so please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So let's start the reading for my water sign viewers. One card for you, one card for them, one card is for your current situation, one card is for future potential. Okay, let's see how you see your person in this relationship. The Hierophant, and how your person sees you in this relationship. Oh, Eight of Swords. The current situation of your relationship is Seven of Swords, and the future potential is Two of Swords. You see your person as someone who is very kind, you see your person who is uh, very wise person, okay, who has a lot of knowledge to share with the people, okay. And also you see your person as someone who is very much mature and very much kind hearted person. People come towards them to seek guidance in life, okay. Or maybe you feel that your person is right now they are not I mean I'm seeing second part of story also. The second part of story is that you feel that your person is not talking to you right now, or there is a silence from your person, or maybe your person is indulging themselves in some other thing. Maybe they are moving on spiritual path right now, and they are taking or they are seeking help and guidance from their elders, okay. They are taking guidance from the some wise persons, okay. On the other hand, your person feels that you are stuck in some kind of a negative energy, and I'm feeling that it is just because of your person is not talking to you right now. You are feeling attached towards them, okay. You want to move out from them because you feel that there is no relationship, or there is no future of this relationship, okay. You feel that there is no relationship there is no future of this relationship, and you want to move away or move out from this relationship, but uh, you are kind of stuck with your person, okay. Your person feels that you are stuck, or your person feels that you are stuck somewhere in life, or you can move out from that negative energy. Let me just clarify why this Eight of Swords is here. Okay, why this Eight of Swords is here. Your person feels that you are in some resting mode. You are not taking any initiative. Yes, you are depressed. And with this Wheel of Fortune, I feel that some cycle has ended here. Maybe it is a time to end this relationship. The time is here to end this relationship. That's what I'm seeing, because your person feels that you are still holding back to your negative emotions, holding back to your uh, past relationship experiences, or maybe there is something else in your life. You are holding it very tightly, and you are not uh, and you do not want to move out from that negative energy, and rather than taking any action, you are choosing to take a step back from this situation, okay. Maybe it could also happen that this is the reason, because your person sees you as you are stuck in your some past relationship energies. That's why you are not opening up in front of them, and also you are not taking any action towards them. You are attached to your past bad relationship experiences, and there is something has happened with you in past, and you are not moving out from that negative energy, and you are not taking any actions with this Four of Swords. That's why they are taking the guidance from some people, or maybe they are also hurt with your this behavior, and they are taking some healing uh, from somebody. Okay, but with this Wheel of Fortune, I feel that some cycle has been over between you and your person. It could also happen that this you guys are moving out from this negative energy. Maybe you are going to communicate with your person in coming time, and they are also going to support you in this relationship, or in this at this point of time when you are being very negative towards love and relationship. Okay, maybe this negative energy is going to end with this Wheel of Fortune. And I'm also feeling that it could also happen that for some of you, you are uh, going to cut this relationship right now, or maybe you want to end this relationship with your current partner right now. Okay, so that was the feelings for you from your person. Now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship with this Seven of Swords. As I said, you guys are, there is no communication, and you feel that you should move away, or you should move out from this relationship. On the other hand, your person also feels that you are not being you are not taking any action towards them, so they are also kind of moving out from this relationship. And with this Wheel of Fortune, I just said that something is going to end in this relationship. Maybe the negative energy is going to end, maybe the silence is going to end, or maybe it could also happen for some of you that this relationship itself is going to end. Okay, and with this Seven of Swords, I feel that both of you are moving away from each other. Okay, both of you wants to uh, run away from each other. Okay, I'll clarify why this Seven of Swords is here. Why the Seven of Swords is here. Okay. Someone was very giving in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling. Okay. Water sign, it could also happen that your person is trying to talk to you, and you are choosing to ignore your person. And since you are not talking to them, since you are not taking any action towards them, so I can see that your person was trying to connect with you. They wanted to offer you this Queen of Cups, but it is you who is not taking action towards your person with this Four of Swords. And that's why you and your person wants to move out, or end this relationship, or end this cut out these negative energies between you two. Okay, so the future outcome of this reading is I feel there is going to be a silence in between you two in coming time also. And it's you who is not opening up their heart in front of your person. Although they want to offer you this Queen of Cups, you are choosing to ignore them. You are not afraid to cut them out. You are, or maybe it could also happen that in future, maybe you are there is some some new person is also coming to enter in your life for some of you. Okay, let me just clarify why this Two of Swords is here. Please tell me why this Two of Swords is here, angels. Death. As I said, something is going to end in this relationship. Maybe this relationship, some of you, it could be the negative energy between you and your person. For some of you, it could be the relationship itself. Okay, it's about to end. Okay, and with this Death card, I feel that something major is going to happen with you people in coming time. Some big change is coming into your way. Yes, something is going to end in coming time for you, water sign. Hmm. Maybe you are going to maybe you are going to change your perception towards your partner. Maybe you are going to move out from this two of swords energy in future. Okay, you will come, and maybe it could also happen for some of you that you are going to talk to your person, or maybe they will come with another offer to you. Maybe they will come forward to talk to you. Maybe they will come forward to take this relationship on a next level kind of a thing. I'm seeing something new or something big is going to happen with you in future. Okay, now let's see what angel wants to tell you. What is the divine angel message for you, for my water sign people? Oh, I'm seeing that you guys, some of you could be dealing with Scorpio. The air sign is also here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Water sign is also here, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And no. Okay. Angels are saying no. Okay. To you, water sign. Maybe for some of you, angel are saying that this is not the right relationship for you, or maybe this person is not good for you. Okay. And or maybe this is not the right time. Basically, angel wants to tell you that there is something better for you in future, right? As I said, that there is a major change is coming into your way with this wheel of fortune and the death card. I'm seeing that angel has planned something big for you and something more good for you. Okay, maybe this is not the relationship for some of you to pursue with in future. Okay, or maybe angels are saying that no, it's I mean, the time is over. Now you can come forward and talk to your person. Maybe they are saying no to you towards your negative energies. Okay, but majorly I'm feeling that angel want to tell you that there is something big they have planned for you with this wheel of fortune and death card. Okay, okay, now we'll see the secret love notes for you from your person, water sign. Let's see what your person wants to tell you. We have got 3 chits. Okay, distance is temporary but our love is permanent. Okay, maybe you guys are there is a distance between you two people right now, and maybe it is maybe angels are saying that as of now you need not to focus on this thing. You need to work towards you or work on yourself. Angel wants you to heal, or maybe they are telling you to keep I mean to shift your focus towards the other things or other aspects of your life. Maybe it could be your health, your finances, your career, your goals. Okay, you complete me. Okay, I'm seeing that your person has a lot of emotions for you with this Queen of Cups and with these love notes. I can't wait to hold you. Okay, and let's see what is the next message for you from your person. Be mine. Be mine. I can't wait to hold you. Okay. You complete me. And distance is temporary, but our love is permanent. All I can say with this reading is just to have faith in divine. Okay, maybe the time is not right for you to pursue this relationship with this person, so just take a break from this relationship, as I'm seeing that you guys are moving away from each other. So let's take a break from your person. Okay, and just wait for the divine timing. Maybe this is not the right time for you to meet your person, and this is the reason there is a lot of distance between you two. Okay. So that was the reading for water sign viewers. If you like the reading, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.